Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. My dear students, grade 1, welcome back again with our online session for math. Okay, good morning everyone. Good morning Ibrahim, good morning Talal. How are you doing guys? You can speak to me only Ibrahim, you can speak to anyone. Okay. How are you, Ibrahim? How are you, Talal? Have a good day. Okay. Let's start our lesson, please. Okay. Please get ready. Open your book at page number 661. Open your book. Page number 661. Okay. Okay. Are you ready? Good. Our lesson is composite shapes. Composite shapes. Composite shapes, we join two shapes together or more than two shapes to have a new shape. Okay? Composite shapes means many shapes, two or more than two shapes connect together to have a new shape. Okay? As you see here, this is the shape. And asked you there is how many like this shape, the red one, to form this large shape. Okay, I can draw a line as we see here to see how many shapes that shape formed from. If I draw a line like this, now I have same like this, right? How many shapes like this I used to make this one? As you see, 1, 2. Yes, excellent, excellent. So I have 2 like this. Don't write, please, okay? Okay, excellent. Okay. And then, next one. Next one. This trapezoid, right? Yes, this is how many, what this triangle? How many triangles we use to make this trapezoid? You can draw lines inside the shape to see how many shapes to make or to form of this. Yes, 3 maybe.
Teacher.
Yes.
Miss Muhammad.
Yes. Good morning. Who is HBB? Can you write your name, please? Muhammad? Is Muhammad? Okay, please, the one, okay, his username is HBBC. Please write your name. All of you should write.
Muhammad.
Yes, Muhammad. Please write your name. Write Muhammad. Don't use this icon, HBBC. Please, okay? Let me know who is speaking. Okay? Okay. Page Muhammad 661. 661. The one who said this, there are 3 triangles to form this trapezoid. All right. Excellent. There is another answer. You are right, but also maybe coming 2. As you see here, if you do line like this, now I have 2 triangles, maybe 2, or
الجد واللي عليه شنب.
What? Who's speaking? Four? No, not coming four. Please don't write.
طيب يا ولد.
Hey, stop this.
ما لقيتها.
Yes? Yes? Okay.
Good morning,
Here is-
teacher.
Yes, good morning, Ahmed. Here you can say this, there are three triangles or two according to you. Okay, someone said two is right, someone said four is wrong. If I draw lines inside this shape,
Teacher,
yeah,
كم هذه الصفحة؟
661.
661.
Yes, yes, yes.
6 1
Yes, 661.
6 1.
Yes.
166. اوكي.
لا هذا
Okay.
حقت البطة.
يلا اكتب لي النمبر فيه.
Okay, as you see here, composite shapes means many shapes, we connect them together to have a one shape. As you see here, this is big shape. How many small shapes like this? This we saw before, this is called trapezoid. If we draw a line like this, to see how many trapezoid we need to form this. See, as you see here, I have two. Okay, also, second one, I have this big or large trapezoid. How many triangles we need to form this one? If we make like this, we have three triangles, or otherwise we can say two. If we make a diagonal or line, big line inside the shape. Okay, good. Here, the next page, in the next page, 662, 662. As we see here, you can put together shapes to make a new shape. You can put together shapes to make a new shape. This new shape is called composite shape. As you see here, I have triangle and this shape. Okay, if we connect them or put them together, we have a new shape like this shape that you have. Okay, okay. As we see here, in example number 1 and 2, use two pattern blocks to make each shape. Draw a line to show your model. Circle the blocks you use. As you see here, I have this shape, this one. As you see here, this large rectangle, I can use two squares. How we know? Just draw a line inside it. Here I have the large triangle. We use what? If I make a line inside it like this, it was like this. As you see, was like this before, right? So I can draw a line inside this large rectangle to have two squares, as you see. Here also, it was a large triangle. I can draw a line inside it to divide it into two shapes. The first one is triangle, the second one is trapezoid. The first one here, the green one, the second one is this red one. Okay? Okay. Any questions, all of you?
Yes, I know.
I
Any
know.
question?
Circle.
No, I'm asking. Any question about this circle or what?
What?
Anyone has?
Triangle. Triangle.
Okay, this is triangle. Yes. Any more questions?
That size.
Okay, you understand?
What? What?
Mm.
What, Ibrahim?
Well, square. Well, triangle.
Yes, it was before it was large rectangle. When we make a line inside it, it will be two squares. So we have to circle two squares. Do like this in your book. And here it was large triangle. If I draw inside it a line, I have two shapes. First one is triangle, second one is trapezoid. Circle, triangle, trapezoid that formed the large triangle. Okay. Okay. Next page. The next page, 663.
663. 663.
Yes, 663. Okay. As we see here, number 3 and 4. Okay. The same way, ask you to draw a line inside the shape to see or to show us how many shapes that use form the shape. Here I have these shapes. Okay. I can draw a line to see how many shapes we used from this shape. As you see here, I can draw a line here. As you see, look here, please. See, if I draw a line here, this, as you see, if I draw a line like this, see, line. Now, I have to divide it into two shapes, right? You heard me? I have, where this one is what? Trapezoid, like this, as you see. And that one, second shape, the first one is called the hexagon. So I can use these two shapes to have this large shape. You understand this one, number 3?
Teacher.
Yes?
خلاص دقيقة.
What again? Yes, Ibrahim. I cannot hear you. Okay. Now, number 4, I have the shape, right? As you see, just you can draw a line to see how many shapes we use to form this shape. Yes, we can draw a line here. Now I have what? What's the name of the first one? Number 1, and this is number 2. Two shapes. Number 1 is, yes, triangle. And number 2 is square. So I need one square and one triangle to form this shape. It's called composite shape. Is it clear? You understand this?
Yes.
Any question? Anyone has a question?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
My
Now,
question.
what's your question?
How was I?
Hmm.
Circle.
Okay. Now, in the next one, did you do this in your book?
Yes.
Great. Now, here asked you to draw. You have to draw the shape, circle the common shape. As you like, you can form, put any one or any two shapes together to form a shape. As you see here, I have this square and this triangle, trapezoid triangle. You can put in one of them together to form a new shape. You can circle the shape. Look, listen. Listen, guys, please pay attention. Pay attention. Here, I can use, for example, triangle. I can use triangle here. Look here. And then square. To have a shape. If we make it together, now I have the shape, like house. Okay? Also, you can do many shapes as you like. Someone said, I can do the trapezoid with the square. Yes, you can. As you like, draw as you like. If I can't do another shape like this, I can make this trapezoid, the red one.
Teacher,
Yes.
I can do a car. Trapezoid car.
What?
Trapezoid car.
Yes. Yes, you can make it like a car. And this is square. I used what? I used trapezoid with square. Trapezoid and square. You can choose any as you like, okay? To join them together to have a new shape. Number 6, which shape we can join together to have a new shape? As you like. You can draw triangle with square, same like this, or triangle with a trapezoid, square with this shape, square with trapezoid. Join any one, up to you, okay? So I can draw, for example, this and this together. I can make the triangle and the trapezoid.
Teacher.
Yes? Yes,
A giant car.
yes,
Teacher.
Ibrahim.
Circle.
There's no shape.
Teacher.
Do this shape together to have a
Teacher.
yes.
Circle.
See, this one.
Face.
What?
Circle. Face.
Circle face.
Yes.
Okay, but there's no any circles here, Ahmed. Yes, Ibrahim.
This one on my nose.
I know, but there is no any circle here. You have number 6, triangle, square, trapezoid.
6. I will draw 600.
Yes, yes, Ibrahim.
Circle for ball.
Ball, yes, circle for ball. But here I have to use these shapes to form another shape. you can make two shapes together. As you see here, yeah, Ibrahim, all of you, I have this shape, I draw it here, this shape. Already,
Teacher,
I draw it just wait. And that shape, triangle, I draw it here. Now I have another shape. Looks like tent. You know tent, خيمة؟ اللي تكون عندكم في البر.
خامة يعني حقة الزلفي.
Yeah, okay. And otherwise, you can do any two shapes together for, okay. Anyone has
Teacher,
yes?
the city دائرية.
Which one?
The city circle.
Okay. Look here. Wait. All of you. Good one.
Good.
Okay, I mute all of you. Okay, be quiet. In this worksheet, it will be available in your WhatsApp group and already available in the school website. These worksheets. There's two sheets we'll study today. The first one here, circle the two petal blocks used to make the shape. I have the shape. Which of these shapes we use it to form this shape? Number one. I told you can draw a line inside the shape to divide it into many shapes. As we see here, number one, if I draw a line here, now I divide it into two shapes, number one and then number two. What the shape of number one? Yes, triangle. What in number two? Square, yes. So I have to circle, square, and triangle. So this shape formed of triangle and square. Okay? Okay. And number two. Okay. If I have this large triangle, you can draw a line inside it to see what you will have. Okay, I can draw a line inside it. So I have triangle number one and this shape. What's called this shape? Number two. What is called? Yes, number one is called triangle like this. And number two is called what? Yes, trapezoid, as we see. Okay, okay. Again, number one, draw a line to divide it into two shapes, triangle and square, triangle and square. Number two, I have triangle. I can divide it into two shapes by drawing a line inside it to have two shapes. Shape number one is triangle, shape number two is trapezoid, as you see. Okay. Next one. Number three, and the last one is number three. Okay. Okay, as we see here, we draw a line. Number one, to have two shapes. Yes, triangle and square. And number two, I can draw a line inside this large triangle or big triangle to have two shapes. This is called triangle, and second one, down one, is called trapezoid. Okay, now I will allow you to speak with this one to tell me about number 3. Answer number
Triangle.
answer number 3. How many shapes we can use to form this?
مين هنا؟ مين
Number
هنا يكلمني؟ مين يكلمني؟
Teacher.
3.
Teacher.
Yes, Ahmed.
Triangle.
What?
This one.
Teacher, this.
Two sides.
Wait, one by one. Ahmed,
Yes.
can you answer?
Two sides.
Number 3. Which shapes, if I draw a line to form this large one? Which first? Which one?
4. This one 4.
Yeah, I have now 4 shapes. Which of these shapes we use it to form this shape? As you see, number 1, I draw a line. Now I have 2 shapes, triangle and square. And number 2, we make a line.
Two sides.
Which one?
Two sides.
Okay.
This one.
Which one? This?
Yes.
And what?
And no.
This?
No.
This?
Yes.
Excellent, Ahmed. Excellent. If I draw a line here, as we see, if we draw a line here, see, I have this first shape. Excellent, Ahmed. I have the first shape is this one, it's called trapezoid, and the second
Teacher.
number 2, yes, Ahmed.
صفحة كم هذه؟
This worksheet already in the school website, and I will send it to WhatsApp group. It will be available in the WhatsApp.
My dad. Yes, it's coming later.
Okay. All of you understand this? Yes, Ibrahim. Okay, I will ask Ibrahim. Ibrahim,
Yes.
you have a question?
Yes.
What's your question?
Open.
What?
Open.
What you have question? You understand number 1, 2, and 3?
Yes.
Okay, good. Muhammad Fahd?
هذا
Muhammad?
محمد ناصر. محمد ناصر. محمد مو بهنا.
إلا في محمد هنا. محمد أحمد.
Yes, Muhammad.
Muhammad, yes. Muhammad, yes. Yes.
Talal?
طيب.
Talal.
طيب.
He's here.
طيب. طيب. أيوة.
Okay.
في طلال قهوي.
Okay. Now, in the other worksheet, I will show you this one. Here, can you tell me which we use in number 2? We use 2 triangles or 2 rectangles? To form 2 triangles or 2 rectangles to form the shape? Which of these we used?
أسمعك.
Yes, Talal.
قالوا شباب.
Yes, Talal.
طلع الوقت.
Yes, as you see here. Yes, we have now two triangles, as you see.
حمام.
This shape. How many rectangles? Who can tell me how many rectangles?
أنا أشيط أحسن هذه.
This looks like cup.
أنا أول واحد ثاني واحد ثالث والرابع.
How many rectangles? Number 3 here. How many rectangles?
أنا
Ibrahim, how many rectangles? This shape. No, how many rectangles? 1.
6.
No, 2. 2 rectangles only.
4 and 4.
How many circles?
2. 2.
Ahmed, sure 2 circles.
0.
How many circles we use?
3.
Yes, 1, 2, 3. Yes, you are right.
أنا قايل أحمد.
Sam.
أنا قايل
Okay.
أول واحد قبل.
Now we
ما كتب.
have finished already this lesson.
أنا
I
قايل أحمد.
understand.
دقيقة.
And your homework, it will be page number 665 and 666. This homework. Page number 665 and 666. I hope you understand everything and see you soon, inshallah. Bye. Don't forget your homework for today. Okay, bye bye.
طلال
سلولة.
سلولي